Hello mga ka-troubles, alam nyo ba na you can withdraw cash using your GCash card with zero withdrawal fee in Taiwan? Yes, just look for the Cathay United Bank na katulad nito. So normally sa loob ng mga Family Mart, meron yan. Sige, try natin. So insert your card. For the next screen, select nyo lang savings account or default account. Okay lang yan. Of course, your PIN. And then okay or continue. For the next screen, guys, always select defer conversion. So, wag nyong immediate conversion yung iselect nyo para mas mababa yung ma-charge sa inyo ni bank. Wait nyo lang. And then, yan.